I think that there are a couple of others that are also coming out this week. I believe that Anthropic might also have an event this week. If somebody wants to put that in the comments or send me a message on that, please let me know. But two pretty significant events, or at least potential to be significant, coming up here on Monday, Tuesday. So I've been a little active this morning on social media because people have been asking me for my predictions on what I think is going to happen during today's OpenAI event. So I'd love to hear your predictions if you want to put them in the chat, or if you want to send me a message on X. I'd be happy to take a look at it. Let me know what you think is going to happen today. I think it could be any number of things that are going to happen. Um, I have really two primary predictions, and I'm kind of being slow here because I don't want to bias you guys. I'm trying to give people time to put their opinions in YouTube. I see that we have 45 viewers at this point. So show me a couple predictions. Show me that you guys are out there. If you're on YouTube, please go ahead and post it in the comments and let me know what you think. But basically, what I think is going to be, I'm making two predictions. First prediction, well, actually, let's get something else out of the way because people have been speculating on the search space. I have an article, or excuse me, a video coming out later this week from my Data Science Minute Shorts, where OpenAI is clearly pushing ChatGPT or some sort of product towards the search space. And we know that's true because if you look in their SSL certificates, they've already reserved a search.openai.com domain name within their own certificates. So we know that's coming. So that's why Sam Altman last week was essentially forced to say, yes, we're having an announcement on Monday. No, it's not a search product. So I think that's interesting. He did say that the announcement was going to be something magical. And I think that's key. I think it's key that he said magical.